Hello, and welcome to this tutorial of the Elementi software. In a past video, we covered instant messaging using the instant messaging project that can be found on our support wiki at support.spinetics.com. Today, we will be covering instant messaging using the data feed widgets that are included in the X version of the software. Instant messaging is commonly used for emergency notifications and situations where you may want to quickly put text or other messages up on the screen. To get started, let's go into our Elementi project, go to the Widgets tab, and double click on the data feeds folder. Let's pick a widget. So I'm going to pick the text sticker. I'm going to drag and drop it. I'm going to resize it and position it on my screen where I would like. Next, I'm going to double click into my widget. You'll see there's a field called data, and then there's a blue data symbol to the right. I'm going to double click on this. So now you'll see our data properties of our data feed widget. Under source and type, I'm going to select shared variable. The shared variable is what's going to be updated to change the text on our screen. The variable can be anything that you would like. So any word, I'm going to make mine variable 1. Parser, we're going to set this to regular expression. And format, we're going to leave blank, and we're going to leave the second field as script. So now let's click OK. Let's save our project. After you set this widget up, you can use different methods, such as HTML page or other means, to update your shared variable and send commands to your player to show the message you would like to display. A simple way to test this is to use the developer console found from within Elementi. So to use the developer console, we'll go to the menu on the top, go to View, and then we'll select Developer Console. I'm going to reopen this project. So if I go to the shared variables part, and I go under variable, you'll see my variable name. I can go to value and type in whatever message I would like. This will update my shared variable. So now you'll see in my preview panel, I now have a message being displayed on my screen. I can change this to anything I want. And it'll update. Instant messaging is a great way to quickly update information on your screen. More on this subject and data feed widgets found within the X version of the software can be found at support.spinetics.com. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.